Hi guys, welcome back to Tasha and Joe's eating show. I have to figure out how I'm gonna say that. I don't know. So today I'm gonna have king crab legs and Dungeness crab, which I've never had before. I've used Dungeness crab pieces in a seafood gumbo mukbang that I did once, but I've never actually had a whole Dungeness crab, so I'm kind of excited. And of course, I have some sauce. So, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. And I got new scissors. I actually went to Ross today because Ross is where I go to get stuff like this, like dog leashes, because it's always gonna be cheaper there. Let me start with some king crab. It's always going to be cheaper at Ross than it would be going to like a grocery store. So I just started at Ross. And I ended up buying some pants too. So win-win. But these bad, and I got pink handled ones so Jamie knows not to touch them. Got my main man Joe in the background. He was fighting me for a minute. He's like, no, I'm going to be your cameraman today. But he doesn't have thumbs. Can't be my cameraman without thumbs, Joe. So we are in October. I meant to get a trash can or something so I could actually put these shells in. But oh well. Yeah, these scissors work so much better. My last ones have been run through the dishwasher. I'm not going to say who that was. But you don't put your scissors in the dishwasher. I've been starving all day. I've been watching mukbang videos all day. Actually, you know what? And I always forget to do this at the beginning because I would just be so hungry. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. That's going to help me know that y'all are still watching if you haven't already subscribed. And make sure you hit the little bell to get alerts when I post new videos because I'm trying to do it every day now. Well, for at least 4 times a week, I'm trying to come out with a new video. The sauce is still hot. I've been noticing a lot of people doing like deshelled mukbangs, like deshelled seafood boils. I don't know. I really like the fight. I like working for my food. As long as I'm not like hunting it. But I like having to like break through the shells. That's why I started eating crawfish. Look at that. King crab is the best because you just get this big old hunk of meat. You just, ugh. At this point, I'm just gonna let you creep out your bed. I don't care. So, October is here already. I feel like it was just January. But that means that it's time to start planning me sit back some. That means that it's time to start planning for next year. Start thinking about next year. Look at that. I'm so happy. I was so hungry. I go to all these stores looking for all these different things. I have a ton of birthdays in October, so I usually end up having to cook like a bunch. I'll make people desserts, but like my god sister, my mom, Jamie's birthday's in October. I have numerous friends who have October birthdays. My dad's birthday is in October. It's actually on Halloween. So October is usually a pretty busy month for me. Yeah. The last video that I put up, I called it like shrimp mukbang, and then I put in slurping and burping, because like you slurping and you burping when I was eating it. I got flagged, and it was like talking about suggestive sexual content, and I was like, whoa, that is not what I'm aiming for. So changed the name. Now it just says burping. I kind of want to go get a bag for these shells, because I know that these things are going to be like, so hold on, give me a second. We don't hover over people eating. Excuse me. Okay. So from what I've seen, people pull this off. Ooh. Oh. I'm not going to show y'all that. It's dirty in there. Ooh. Wait, so like, where am I eating? Where is the crab's brain at? Or did I pull that off? I saw a girl just like tear this thing in half, so. Ooh, okay. Is there meat in that? I don't really feel like. Kind of dirty. Let's stick with one of these guys. Oh, well, we have a volunteer. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, yeah. Oh my God, like, yeah, though, we gotta clean this thing out. Hold on, because that's nasty. It's like crabby stuff that we would never eat. So maybe, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna rip the legs off. Oh my God, his poor little body. I'm a monster. Hold up, there's meat in that. Okay, hold on. It's funny because, like, so I'm a daddy's girl. Like, I'm a daddy's girl. And my dad loves the ocean. So I used to always, so I in turn love the ocean. Because, like, growing up, he always had, like, these big old, see, that's nasty, though. That part's going. Big old saltwater tanks in our house. And so now, like, I'm on Instagram. If you ain't following me, you need to be. And I follow all these, like, National Geographic channels and, like, all these people that post, like, awesome stuff about the ocean. And clean some of this up a little bit. And so I'll send it to him because he doesn't have an Instagram. My dad's not really big on social media like that. Like, he's just now realizing YouTube is the mecca of information. So I'll send him, like, these things. I sent him this whale one. And he, like, was telling me about how you can hear whales underwater because he scuba dives. Ah. And he sent me this video of a whale making noise underwater. Kind of got me wanting to be certified because he and my nephew, who's only like no, I guess he's older than that now. He's in high school. He's probably like 16 or 17. Yeah, okay, hold on, I can do the math. Oh God, he's 17. Yeah. Oh my God, next year he'll be 17. He's 16. Well, they're both certified divers. So I want to get certified now. I'm like, I want to do it. And plus, like, the relationship that I had with my dad developed so much. Like, when I was younger, I went through that phase of, you know, like, I'm gonna hit myself in the face. You know, like, teenage girl. I hate everybody. Excuse me. And then there's the whole, excuse me. I don't know. You just go through different phases with your parents. But now, because I'm almost 30, our relationship is, like, so different. So before, you know, getting the trust isn't necessarily there because the maturity's not there, even though I think it was, but whatever. I'll never grow up fully. See, that's what the Dungeness Crab looks like. So now it's completely different. So, like, last week I just had, like, this really deep not even deep, but it was just like a very adult conversation with my dad. Like, he would have never talked to me like that the other day. And I feel like we both were thinking that because, not the other day, but like 5 years ago, we wouldn't have had that conversation. And we were talking about relationships and, because, like, he knows that, well, obviously he knows I'm his daughter. But, for example, me and Jamie, like, divorcing. My dad loves Jamie. Like, I remember when we lived when I lived in Dallas and I didn't even live with my parents. My parents were like, oh, you know, well, Jamie can come out here and stay with us in the house and y'all can hang out and blah, blah, blah. Because where I was staying, he couldn't stay. And they were like, yeah, just, you know, if you can get out here, then you can come. And he did. Sure did go stay. I think he helped my dad put together the Bowflex. But that's because my parents are super chill. Like, as long as you're not trying to force it, they'll like you. But if you try to force it, you're not going to get as far. So that was what made them take to him so kindly. Because Jamie is super chill. Very laid back guy. Well, my dad was asking about him when we were talking. He was like, you know, how are you guys? And blah, blah. And I was just like, we're good. Like, that's my best friend. He ain't going nowhere. Our marriage just didn't work. But even like, I guess having that level of maturity in regards to like an ended relationship is hard. It is hard. But I think my dad admired that. He was like, yeah, I'm really proud of you, Mo. He calls me Mo. Come out. I did this backwards. It's not going to come out how I want. And it was awesome because he was even like he texted me probably like 2 days after we had our talk, or we talked on the phone, because we were on the phone for a couple hours, which isn't normally like us. Like, we talk a lot, but we don't be on the phone for hours talking. So my dad's all like, it was really cool talking to you, and I'm proud of you, and it's awesome that we can have conversations like this. And I was like, man, I was thinking the same thing. Shoot. I'm glad. When I'm going to go to Dallas to visit them for Thanksgiving. Like, because all of my sisters, like, we all live in different time zones. And so he's all like, you know, excited to see us. And we all just meet there because they're in the central. One sister's in New Jersey, and then the other sister is in Nebraska. I don't know if I can get this one. Oh, Dungeness crab might be kind of easier to eat because the shell's really hard. So like, he's gonna be in Omaha. I mean, I'm going to Dallas, and I have friends in Dallas. Like, I spent a good part of my life there, so I don't necessarily just stay at home when I go visit. So I was like, oh, okay, well, you know, I'll probably just, you know. He was like, well, you know, you can borrow the truck, or you can. And I'm like, wait, hold on, what? You gonna let me borrow your truck? That's growth. There ain't no way in the past I would have been able to borrow that truck. So it's just cool. I love my daddy. But my mama's pretty dope too, just so you know. I think I get like my sense of exploration from my dad, but my resilience is from my mother, for sure. My mama is a goon. And you know, mamas always know. My mama can look at somebody and know if they're gonna be in my future or not. She can just look at you and know if you like old friends. Your mama always knows about your friends. Moms can call a trash friend from a mile away. You been and spent 10 years being their friend, and then you find out that they trash. Your mama knew the whole time. Oh, my air conditioning's on. I hope it's not messing up the sound. I doubt it. My mic's pretty close to my mouth. Come out! me. My sauce is good this time, but I feel like it was better last time. I think that because I made more, and I don't think I put enough seasoning in compared to how much more butter and chicken stock I used. Ooh, it's still spicy though. I'm not gonna show y'all this Dungeness crab carcass, but just know if you get one, it gets a little messy in there. They're still good though. It's like this poor guy. Ah. Yeah, there we go. I don't want that. Ooh, stretch out my legs. All right, now I'm good. That did make me want to get certified to like scuba dive. I think it'd be pretty awesome to be able to go explore the underworld. It's not the underworld, but to be able to. Here you go, baby. Nice. Nice, dude. To be able to like go and swim with the fishies, I think would be a really good time. Oh yeah. All right, we're going for another king crab leg. Oh, hold on. Let's see if we can get it out. Oh, nope. Oh, you know what? Somebody told me like you're supposed to twist. And that's what'll bring the meat out. I like these scissors. They're so cute. Boom. I'm at a mess. It's a good mess. Mm. I like having the little bag next to me for the shells. That saves me space. And it's easy because, like, you don't want to have you don't want to have your whole trash can stinking until you take out the trash. So if you just put your crab shells in a little bag, you could just take it out to the dumpster. You ain't got nothing to worry about. Look at that. King crab is the bee's knees, for sure. I think I'm gonna save this guy for later and just tackle this dude. Y'all, I went all over looking for key limes today. Did not realize that key limes are different than regular limes. Obviously, because of the name, it makes sense. Jojo, get back. You're a little close now, fam. You just took one step back. Get back. Get back. He's such a jerk, but I love him so much. But key limes are smaller and they're grown somewhere else. I don't remember where. They might be from like India or something. But like most limes are like from Mexico or like Argentina. Excuse me. So, it had some fell on it. I thought it did. I'm just trying to be bold. So I went to all these stores looking for a key lime. There's been this woodpecker outside my window, and I've never seen one, but like all day today he's been in this tree, and it's so cool to see. I tried to get him on camera, but no, he wasn't having it. Anyway, sorry, I keep jumping all over the place. So key limes are smaller and they have a little bit different of a taste, and trying to find them in San Diego is apparently harder than I thought. And I went to so many different stores and I still don't know where to find them, which is kind of disappointing. So I'm waiting to hear back from like my following. I put it on Instagram, like, hey guys, where can I find key limes? I have one follower that he's a baker. So I feel like he would know. Look at all that. I don't even know what to do with this. We're gonna put it in there for a second. Let it marinate. JoJo is pitiful. I gotta WALK him after this because I am sleepy and it won't go away unless I walk this off. I think there's more. But I even tried the Asian markets. Because they always have, like, you know, the fruit that might be different. She might not be able to find at every other grocery store. The only other place I didn't go was Stater Brothers. So I could try them, but I don't think they're going to have it. Actually, I need to call. That's what I need to do. Because driving around is for the birds. Oh, sucky now. Oh, don't break. Yeah, there's still some in there. But I have to make, I mean, I offer at least 2 of them, but I have to make like 4 cheesecakes because birthdays, man, it's October. But I don't mind. I love baking. I want one of those air fryer things. Excuse me. But like the key lime is hard to find. I'm going to try to make a salted caramel. And then I'm going to make a strawberry. And then I don't even know what the other flavor is because I haven't been told yet. But I usually try to go for like fruit or candy. And it's so good, but I don't eat cheesecake. My cheesecake is good, so I'll eat like a couple bites. But I don't really like cheesecake like that. Maybe it'll grow on me one day, but right now, nah. Look at that. I just want to let it sit in there like it's in the hot tub. So I will be doing a whole bunch of baking over the next couple of days. But do not ask me for no cheesecake mukbang. I'm not going to do it. I don't like cheesecake. Which reminds me, so yesterday, one of my faithful followers, Clay, he commented on this video that I did maybe, not even a year ago. It was less than maybe 6 or 7 months ago when I made a cake. I made a yellow cake with chocolate frosting. And I just sat and I ate that on camera. Ooh, that cake was so good. I need to make another yellow cake. I'm old school. Honey, yellow cake with chocolate frosting. Maybe that's like a Midwest thing. That is so good to me. It's so good. This is so good. But I'm always here for the chocolate and the cake. I used to make a lot of devil's food. Yeah, that woodpecker is out there tough. I may have noticed I did not put on makeup today. Gave my face a break. It's nice to let your skin breathe. And all that. That just came out there. All right. I think this is my last bit. That was a lot. It was good though. Ooh, it was really good. All I got is this guy left. I'm gonna save him. I ate his brother though. His brother is gone. I love JoJo so much. I have to burp. I don't know when it's gonna come out. There. Oh yeah, that feels good. Okay. So I'm all done. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my. I'm done. I am full. Thank God, because I was starving before this. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I already said it before. Subscribe, like this video, and make sure you leave me a comment so that I know that you stopped by. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.